Hey guys, Jeremiah here with Energy Advantage Roofing and Solar. Something that's really important to Energy Advantage is being a part of community, and building a business in the community is not just about what we can take out of it, but what we can do to give back into it. Something we're doing right now is we are raising money for St. Jude's. When a child has their last chemo, they throw a no more chemo party. And for a $150 donation, you can sponsor 20 no more chemo parties. So I would encourage everybody, if you have an opportunity for $5, $10, $1, right, or $150, come help us support the children in need. We got a walk, run, 10K coming up here on September 22nd in the Denver area. If anybody would like to come run with us, come run with Team Energy Advantage, that would be awesome. And if you're around on September 22nd, come see us at the run. Click on the link below.